Hi, I'm Richard Giddy from ActiveImage, and today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of our ReZoomIt feature in our Enterprise Hyper-V version of ActiveImage Protector. What we're going to do today is we're going to restore an individual VM from a host-based backup. First up, what we'll do is we'll open up ReZoomIt. The next thing that we need to do is we need to select our host-based backup. So we'll path to that image file, select that file, open it, and then you'll see it will start to populate in here all of our machines from that backup, including Linux machines, Windows and Linux machines that we can restore. I'm going to first up just select two machines, a Windows Server machine and a Linux machine. Click Next, and I'll just connect to the local Hyper-V host. Then what you can see here is we've got VM1 and VM2. So if we wanted to restore two virtual machines in the one job, we could, but I'm just going to take it back and we'll just select one for the demonstration. So one of the things here, we'll change the VM name. We're going to call it, I'll just add ReZoom to it. I'll give it a little bit more memory, so I'll just change it to 16 gig, and I'll give it a couple more CPUs to make it 4. We don't have checkpoints, we can select which checkpoint we wanted. We need to select a location of where we want the new virtual machine to go. We'll select Next, and then it's as simple as just hitting the ReZoom button. I've sped this up obviously for the demonstration, but that took around 2 minutes. Now that that's completed, as you can see in the Hyper-V Manager, we have that one virtual machine that has been resumed. I'll click Start here and start up that machine. Just to recap, what we actually did there is we have restored a single VM from our host-based backup. And here we are, we're presented with our login screen, and as I said, it took about 19-20 seconds. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need any more information or would like to demonstrate the product, here are our contact details.